Make jambalaya. Jambalaya is a traditional Cajun dish consisting of meat, vegetables, and rice. Jambalaya can be made with shrimp, sausage, or other meats. Because there are no many variations, jambalaya is a foolproof dish, and can be made even if you don't have all the ingredients in the recipe. Step 1: Ingredients and supplies. 1 cup cooked sausage, 1 cup cooked shrimp or 2 chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 clove minced garlic, 1 tablespoon double-strength tomato paste, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon dried leaf thyme, 1/8 teaspoon ground cayenne pepper, 1 green onion, 1/2 cup chopped bell pepper, 14.5 ounces can diced tomatoes, 3/4 cup uncooked long grain rice, large skillet with cover. Step 2: Prepare the ingredients. First, you'll need to cook the meat. Slice it into small pieces, and then sauté the sausage in oil on your stovetop. Make sure that whatever type of meat you use for jambalaya is chopped into bite-sized pieces and is fully cooked. Then, dice the peppers and green onion, as well as any other vegetables you are using, into small pieces. Step 3: Combine vegetables and meat. Once the meat is browned, add the garlic, onion, and peppers, cooking until the vegetables are tender. Then, add the diced tomatoes and the tomato paste, as well as 2 cups of water and the rice. Rinse the rice before adding it to the mixture to help keep it from sticking together. Finally, add your seasonings to the mixture. Step 4: Simmer the ingredients. Stir all of the ingredients, and then bring the mixture to a boil. Cover it, and reduce to low heat for about 25 minutes. Stir occasionally until the rice is fully cooked. Your jambalaya will still have some liquid left. Then add the cooked shrimp, and cook for about 5 minutes longer, until the shrimp is hot. Step 5: Serve. Transfer the jambalaya to a serving bowl, and serve while still hot. This recipe should serve about 6 people. The jambalaya should be like a thick soup. Garnish with a few sliced green onions or some chopped parsley for a colorful touch, and serve with sourdough bread on the side. Jambalaya is a great way to use up leftover meat and vegetables, and there are endless versions of this recipe. You can use any type of meat, including beef, pork, chicken, or seafood for jambalaya. While peppers are traditionally used to make jambalaya, you can use any vegetables you have on hand. You can vary the amount of the seasonings, omit some, or add your own, depending on your tastes. Try black pepper, paprika, Tabasco sauce, or Creole seasoning. Originating in Louisiana, jambalaya has a unique flavor that is sure to be a hit with your family or guests.